welcome to Evie and Ellie Beauty.
Today's episode, we're doing fashion.
What are we gonna do with Mommy today?
We're gonna do her face, we're gonna pick out her dress, everything.
Yeah, so Evie and Ellie are gonna do Mommy's makeup. They're gonna pick out what I'm gonna wear, my accessories, and then we're gonna walk on the runway on the fashion show.
Yeah, outside. It's outside. Outside.
So if you like our videos, please
Give a big thumbs up.
give a big thumbs up and like our channel, and please keep watching.
So here we got the pink cheek.
So you're gonna put pink on my cheeks to start the makeup. That's the brush you're gonna use?
Yeah.
The big powdery brush. Okay. I like that pink color. So how long have you been a makeup artist?
20 years.
20 years? Oh my goodness. You love makeup?
Yeah.
Is that like your favorite thing to do? So now you did my cheeks, my pink cheeks. What else are we gonna do?
This shiny glitter device.
Oh,
So-
shiny glitter
So
delight.
this one, you just choose what color you want, okay?
Okay, can I show them what colors you picked out?
No,
Look.
you.
This is the palette. And do I get to pick out the color or you pick it out?
You pick it out. Because
All right.
you're the customer.
I'm the customer. Okay, so let's do, I think for my eyes, I want like a purple.
Or do you want rainbow? So what? The other color in this side and the color in this side.
Okay, you're the makeup artist, so you know best. Tell me what you think I should do.
You should do gold.
Gold.
I mean, purple with the shiny thing.
Okay,
You're gonna do this purple and this white.
I'm excited. All right, let's see.
Your hair's moving.
Should I get something to cover my hair?
Yeah. So we're gonna do the top color, okay?
All right, let's do some of those colors.
Here's the color we're going to use.
That's like a light beige, shimmery color.
Now what's your favorite color?
Out of that palette, I like the gold. I love gold. That's like my favorite color.
Ooh, this one shines up together.
Ooh, I like how shimmery it is with gold flecks in it.
You need a lipstick.
Lipstick, okay.
Pink.
Ooh, that's a nice, like a pink. Yeah, there you go. It's from MAC. It's called Pink Pigeon. Look how buttery it is. Ooh. It's a nice pinky color. I like that.
Now the final thing is this spray.
A setting spray? Okay.
Be careful.
Okay. Don't spray me in the face. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm liking this so far. Is there anything else that I need?
Yes, do this.
What is that?
The eye.
Eyebrows? Okay, so you want to do my eyebrows too? Precisely my brow. that benefit? Go ahead. You can do my eyebrows with that. Ooh, very nice. What do you guys think of my makeup? By Evie, my makeup artist. Very pretty.
Yes, pick out your dress.
Evie's gonna pick out my dress and my shoes and my accessories.
Yes.
Alright, so now Evie is going to choose what I'm gonna wear from my closet. Okay? So, should we start with like a dress or a shirt? What are you thinking?
Dresses.
Dresses. Okay, so all my dresses are over here on this end over here. So, I mean, those are just my glittery shirts. But if you look that way, let's see. I have a couple of dresses here. There's a blue jean, pretty dress. You got like a cheetah print. Oh, that's the dress you want me to wear?
Because I'm you're
the stylist?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have to go with the black dress? Yeah. Okie doke. So let me see. So we're gonna pick that black dress and then you gotta pick shoes.
Okay. So I will choose for you red.
Red strappy sandals?
Yeah, red.
Okay, so I have the red dress with the red strappy sandals. Okay, and then let's look at for accessories. That's where I keep all my jewelry. Let's see if she's gonna choose jewelry for me. So I have a necklace. There's silver and gold.
The best mom forever.
Best mom forever one. Okay, so I'll have that necklace. And then what else for earrings? Should I do like little small earrings?
Where the
down
earrings?
There? These are the earrings. They're just like my little studs. I need a better place for them. Or you want the big hoop earrings like these?
The big hoop earrings.
Big gold hoops. That's what you think I should wear? I have the necklace and the earrings. And then we have to choose a perfume, right? Because you gotta smell good to feel beautiful. Which one do you think is gonna be a good choice? That Tory Burch.
Okay. Do you like pink or no?
That one's okay. That's one of my favorites, but I bought this new one that is really good. It smells really good and I like the bottle. Valentino, I want to say it's Dolce Vita. So you want to do that one?
Yeah.
Okay. But after I put on the clothes, then you're going to spray me with the perfume. All right? So let's go get dressed.
Presenting Mommy.
You like my dress and my makeup and my accessories?
And Mommy too.
Yeah,
Mommy.
look. My stylist and my makeup artist, Evie, picked it out for me. Can you see my face?
Yes, we can.
Yeah, can you see my beautiful shoes? Go all the way down to my shoes.
Yes, we can.
Okay. So now I gotta do my affirmations because it's time for my affirmations in the mirror since I'm ready. I am beautiful. I am smart. I am lovely.
I'm strong.
I'm strong. I'm gorgeous. I love myself.
Yes.
Now let's go on to the runway for the fashion show.
Professional girl.
Alright, butterflies, that was our show. And thank you for watching. And if you like Mommy's Makeover, please like and subscribe to our channel. And give a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Give a thumbs up. And comment on our Instagram what other Mommy Amy videos that you want to watch. And always remember to love yourself.
And feel like a butterfly.
And feel beautiful like a butterfly. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Up.
Yeah, thumbs up. Bye.